Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Modern iPhones rely heavily on Face ID, and when it stops working, it can feel like your entire device is locked away from you. Many users face the frustrating message, Face ID is not available. Try setting up Face ID later. This warning usually appears when the system can't properly access the true depth camera, and today, we're breaking down exactly how to fix it. In this video, I'll guide you through the most effective solutions to get Face ID working again, so you can unlock your iPhone effortlessly once more. The first thing you should do is restart your iPhone. This may sound simple, but many Face ID glitches clear up instantly after a fresh reboot. Restarting refreshes the system, reloads Face ID sensors, and removes minor software interruptions. Hold the side button, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. After the reboot, try setting up Face ID again and see if the error disappears. Next, make sure nothing is blocking the true depth camera. A dirty lens, a screen protector covering the notch, or even a bulky case can trigger the Face ID not available message. Take a soft cloth and gently clean the front camera area. If you're using a protector that covers the sensor line, remove it temporarily and check if Face ID starts working. Something as small as a fingerprint smudge can confuse the depth sensors. If the issue continues, it may be linked to your device settings. Go to Settings for Face ID and Passcode and ensure that Face ID is enabled for unlocking your iPhone and for the apps you use. You should also check that attention awareness is turned on unless you prefer it off. If Face ID options are grayed out, that indicates a deeper system issue, and the next steps will help fix that. One of the most effective solutions is to reset Face ID completely. Inside the Face ID and Passcode section, tap Reset Face ID, then set it up again. Make sure you're in a bright room and hold the phone at a comfortable angle. The TrueDepth camera needs clear lighting and space to map your face correctly, so avoid low light areas or backlit backgrounds. If the message still pops up, the issue may be software related. Head to Settings or General Software Update and install the latest iOS version available. Apple often releases fixes for Face ID bugs, and updating your device can restore camera features that aren't functioning properly. Now, if none of these steps work, there's a chance the True Depth camera system has a hardware fault. This can happen from drops, water exposure, or internal damage. When Face ID hardware fails, your iPhone disables the option entirely and shows the try setting up Face ID later message repeatedly. In this case, your best solution is to visit an Apple store or an authorized service center for a diagnostic check. Until then, you can still secure your device using a strong passcode. Professional repair is the only way to restore Face ID if the hardware has failed. So those are the most reliable steps to fix Face ID problems on your iPhone. Clean the sensors, restart your device, reset Face ID, update iOS, and if needed, get the hardware checked. With these fixes, most users can get Face ID working again in minutes. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if your Face ID started working.